The state of California is going after State Farm, accusing them of intentionally mismanaging claims from the Palisades and Eaton fires.
Assignment editor Mike Rogers is at the desk. And Mike, tonight the insurer is pushing back.
Excuse me, they are pushing back, denying the claims laid out to them by the state of California's insurance, the head of the insurance department for the state of California. But we want to show you some of the allegations that the state is making against State Farm in these new legal filings. And, you know, to be honest with you, they are allegations that we have heard from our viewers who are dealing with them in fire-prone areas. Now, what this would do is make them responsible for millions of dollars in penalties, and it's being called the largest action enforcement against an insurer in a very long time, decades. 220 claims were reviewed by the California Department of Insurance, and of those 220 claims, there were 398 violations that were uncovered in just about 114 of the claims that they were in. Now, the violations, according to the state, is that State Farm was slow and inadequate to provide investigative claims within 15 days, failure to accept or deny claims within 40 days. They also say there was an underpayment of claims. State Farm, according to the state, made unreasonably low settlement offers. Multiple adjusters causing confusion. This was a big one that we heard from people at our Coffee with CBS LA on the 1-year mark of the Palisades and Eaton fires. Smoke damage claim denials. They say smoke damage claims represented nearly half of all consumer complaints, and that examiners found that State Farm failed to provide required written denials for environmental testing and misclassified testing costs and misrepresented policy provisions related to inspections. You know, so many people that we have talked to told us that in certain situations they wish their home had burned down and just didn't have smoke damage because of how difficult it was to deal with insurance companies when it came to smoke damage. Now, we want to show you the response here from State Farm. Again, they're adamantly denying anything that the state is alleging against them, saying, quote, "We strongly disagree with the department's characterization. We reject any suggestion State Farm engaged in a general practice of mishandling or intentionally underpaying wildfire claims, and we will respond through the process." Now, their statement goes on to say, quote, "California's homeowners insurance market is the most dysfunctional in the country, and State Farm has worked to be part of real solutions. The state is facing an availability and affordability crisis, and the California Department of Insurance should take responsibility for regulatory delays and uncertainty that have contributed to fewer choices and higher costs for consumers."